Here it is. So I know what you're thinking. What the heck is this special package? Well, I'll show you. It's a little first impressions unboxing. It's not really a box. It's a big humongous letter. So no way. Check that right there. Boy. Can't believe it. Look at it. It's not really a box, it's a big envelope. Not even that big of an envelope, though. You can just feel it though, so. Let's see what we have here. So of course, just basic info. Oh wow. Yeah. Let me just cover up my info. But check it out. Look at that. Okay. And the rest is just little, like the packages of the reward. So pamphlet, I should say. Love that. So, I'll give you another perspective. Look at that. Here's a quick look at it. So that 10x points on through the Ultimate Rewards portal, worth 50% more compared to the preferred, which is like 25%. And then obviously right here, credit for that, so it's pretty good. $300 annual travel credit, love that. 10x points, but keep in mind Chase Dining, which is like select cities. But this is also very nice compared to the Amex Gold, but the Amex Gold has the upper hand, says 4 points per dollar, so I love it. Then here, it's just this. You can pause and read that. And the rest is just the pamphlet of the benefits. Yeah. Protection, all that. Priority pass, protection, no foreign transaction fees. Again, $100 credit for any one of these. Global entry, Nexus, or TSA pre-checked. Experiences, and just terms and conditions. So pretty much it. There's really not much for unboxing or first impressions, just that. So thank you for watching. Wouldn't be a video without a drop test, so here we go. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.